Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need iCloud Notes enabled and the Watch app allowed to sync. Once done, you can capture ideas immediately. Say, "Hey Siri, create a note and dictate, speak commas and periods for clarity." Alternatively, open the Notes app and tap to dictate or scribble a short title. This makes retrieval faster. You're doing this to keep notes accessible at the wrist, so make entries brief, descriptive, and immediate, then let sync update across your devices automatically. Once a note exists, open it on your watch and append content by dictation or quick scribble. That keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Make simple checklist items by adding lines and use folders on iPhone to group related content. These folder changes propagate to the watch. For longer formatting, attachments, or password lock notes, make edits on your iPhone because the watch supports quick edits only. This balance keeps the watch for capture and the phone for deeper organization and formatting. To finish, delete or mark a note on the watch if it's no longer needed. Permanently manage recently deleted from your iPhone. Share or expand content from the phone. Locked notes will require your iPhone password or biometrics to open. If your notes fail to appear, make sure you're signed into the same iCloud account. The Notes account is enabled in Settings, and the Watch app's Notes toggle is on. If syncing still fails, toggle iCloud Notes off and on. Then restart both devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.